So guys, it's time for an update. Rufus and I finally got a new home, our own place, in a new city called Hillerød. We live around 10 minutes from the forest, so wonderful. We have already explored our new hut a lot. It is December now, the trees have become bare, and we have got the first snow that was gone before it completely settled. We have also just been on a lovely little getaway to our old area at Tisvilde. Here's a flashback. Today is a beautiful day, not just because the sun is shining, but Rufus and I is going on a getaway to the northern part of Zealand called Tisvilde. And then, we're going to enjoy nature and the silence up there. So, we're so excited.
Glæder du dig til, at du skal afsted? Ja, vi skal afsted lige om lidt, ikke? Ja, det skal vi. Yeah.
So now we packed and are ready to go. Go! Yeah. Bye bye, beautiful home. See you on Sunday. And now we arrived to the cottage, and Rufus and I, we love it so much here. It's so cozy. Really beautiful. So this is our little cottage for the weekend. It's so amazingly cute. Just take Rufus. I have also started to write a book, but I didn't bring my computer to this little vacation. So I just brought a little book and a pen to write some ideas down, and you never know what this will bring. I will maybe tell you more in another avsnitt. Oh my god, it's so cozy. Oh, the sun is shining.
Good morning, Rufus. So good.
The smell of coffee. I love it. And it's koka kaffe.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Shall we?
Oh, this wasn't here yesterday. Maybe a forest elf. Forgot it.
Have you seen anyone, Rufus?
Maybe? And a new day has arrived here in Tisvilde. That's actually kind of funny because it reminds me of Lord of the Rings. I don't know if it's Gandalf who's saying, yeah, wait a minute. Gandalf is saying, "Look to my coming at first light on the 5th day. At dawn, look to the east." No, it was actually not Gandalf I was thinking of. I think it was Theoden in the last movie where they are in battle. He says to his riders or his soldiers, "Arise now, arise, riders of Theoden, a red day where the sun rises." Something like that. I know what it was you saw, 'cause it was also in my mind. Harry Potter? Yeah, sorry. I know it. I don't think it makes sense to you, but it does in my mind. So yeah, but I really love Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter and everything with a touch of magic. I love that. Yeah, my father used to read up the book The Hobbit, and then I think I heard Lord of the Rings on tape on an holiday. So yeah, I also read them, but I'm not that good to finish a book. I would like to be good to read a book, but yeah. But I really love adventures and yeah, magic. So the plan is today to visit the forest and the ocean, to see maybe there are some elves or trolls, or yeah, you never know. You just have to be open. See you. So now we are ready to go into nature and into the woods. Are you ready, Rufus? Det var godt, Bassen. Ja. Nej. it's already evening again, and yeah, Rufus is tired, and I'm a bit tired too after a really good wander tour in the forest and by the ocean. So now I'm relaxing and have a bit of red wine. Cheers! And then I'm going to make dinner very soon. So yeah, this is my last evening, our last evening in the cottage. So yeah.
Good night, Rufus. Kan du sove godt? Good night. Sleep well. See you tomorrow.
Hello everyone. Today it's Sunday and it's time to go home now. We have packed our things and yeah, we will go home with the train, by the train to our lovely home. See you! And I definitely can recommend this place. So cute and comfortable and yeah, so wonderful. Hello again, and yeah, as you can see, we are finally home, and we now would like to just have a little or a big cup of Christmas tea. Really delicious, and yeah, we really enjoy being in Tisvilde in the little cottage. It was so wonderful just to relax and enjoy nature and the silence, and yeah, both me and Rufus had a really good time. But it's also wonderful to be home again in our new amazing home, our own home. So this is yeah, everything is good, and now it's time to celebrate the first Sunday of Advent. I don't know if it's only the Scandinavian people celebrating it, or it's actually some other countries around the world. I have to Google it. So take care everybody, and thank you so much for watching this video. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!